Hello, Scorpio. Welcome to your weekly tarot forecast. This is for the week of January 15th through 21st for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, or Rising. You might watch your Sun, Moon, and Rising to gain more insight into what's coming in for you this week. Keep in mind, these are general readings. I'm beginning with my Medicine Woman Oracle to get the underlying theme. And then I'm taking the dailies from the Crystal Magic Tarot. And I'm closing with the Beltane. If you like the reading, do me a favor, hit that like button, share it with your friends, drop me a comment, say hello. I do welcome all of your interaction. All right, let's see what we have here, please. You'll notice I'm doing things different. Trying to cut down on my chiropractic visits by not looking down as much when I video. So we're going to try this and see if it works. If not, we'll try something else. Here we go. What do we have, please, for Scorpio? For the week of January 15th, please, Spirit, what do we have for Scorpio? Okay, Scorpio, here we go. Interconnection. I bring you the medicine of togetherness. Interconnection, medicine of togetherness. And I'm going to look that one up. I have been looking up these beginning cards. Where are you? Let's just get that interconnection. Here it is. The time has come to move from I to we. The Medicine Woman of Interconnection invites you to be more aware of our interconnections with nature, plants, minerals, and animals. Feel, communicate, and ritualize. With humans too. Develop knowledge to reinvent your collective ties and make them more cooperative and communal. You may have experienced disappointments in your relationships. Move beyond this pitfall. Find your allies. They are all around you. Make the world a better place for you and other species together. Oh, interconnectedness. Connect with those around you. Connect with nature. Nurture that connection. Let's see. I'm going to pull from the Crystal Magic, but I'm going to tilt my camera down now so you can see the cards. All right, now let's see what we have for Sunday, please. For Sunday. Sunday, we have the Eight of Swords. I have gotten this card for almost every reading I think that I've done. So there's a lot of people feeling stuck and stuck energy. You're not stuck, especially on this card. You can really see it. There's no blindfold. She's not bound at all. She's able to get up and walk right out of there. So you have what you need to free yourself and to get unstuck. You are not stuck. Take a deeper look at the situation, at what's going on. There is a way out. You are not stuck. You are able to move forward. All right, what do we have for Monday, please? Monday. All right. Jumping out, we have the Knight of Coins and we have Death. Some sort of ending, so some transformation, an ending, coming in to bring renewal. And the Knight of Coins here, move out of that stuck energy, that standstill. It's time to move forward, to plant those seeds in the direction that you want to go in. something coming to an end is not necessarily a bad thing. Death to something isn't necessarily bad because it leaves room for something new to come in. A rebirth, so to speak, a transformation, maybe a move in a new direction. Unstuck yourself. Embrace the transformation and take deliberate action. Start planting those seeds. What do we have for Tuesday, please? Yeah, put an end to that stuck energy and move forward. All right, Tuesday. The Knight of Cups on Tuesday, another night. This one is emotional. This one is perhaps sharing something from the heart, an offer. Look at I love this card. It's very romantic type. He's got the rose here. Look at all the red, the passion. Oh, and these cards give us crystals. This one has the ruby, the knight, green jasper, the Eight of Swords, the sunstone. Those are just supportive for that energy for the day if you're looking for that. But this Knight of Cups is coming in very heartfelt, very emotional, sincere sharing of feelings, something from the heart. Are you open to receiving that? Are you open to what is being offered? Pay attention to those heartfelt and sincere offers. Somebody is coming to you with something here. That's Tuesday. Let's see what we have for Wednesday. Wednesday, please, for Scorpio. Wednesday, the Four of Wands. Look at that. And dendritic agate is the crystal. This is stability. We have the four corners here, a strong foundation, stability, security, kind of a carefree feeling in this card. A happy feeling to this card. Having that happy, stable home life, the security that we all look for, and the stability. So that is coming in for you on Wednesday. Enjoy that stability and that security that is yours. All right. Thursday, please. Oh, goodness. Holy cow. 4 cards jumping out at us for Wednesday. We have the Hierophant. We have the Emperor. Wow. The Two of Swords and the Eight of Coins. All right. It's all about gaining insight, wisdom, perspective, understanding, connecting with spirit, gaining some spiritual guidance perhaps, stepping into your power here, taking control over your destiny here. This is about you gaining the insight that you need from spirit, stepping into your authority, gaining clarity, wisdom, all the information you need to make a wise decision, paying attention to the details, even the smallest little detail in moving forward. Wow, really stepping into your authority and your spiritual nature here, and gaining perspective and clarity on which way you want to go. And when you do move forward, making sure that your ducks are in a row, so to speak, that you're paying attention to the details and not leaving anything unattended to. You're not neglecting anything. Wow. All right. Okay. And then Friday, we have the Empress. Look at that. Stepping into that creative energy. Chrysalis is the crystal. Tapping into your inner creativity. That creative power that you have within you. What project are you seeking to birth? There's something coming about here. A project, perhaps something that you've been wanting to create, to birth, to put into motion. And now things are happening. Things are happening. You're seeing the beginnings of that happening. Gaining the wisdom, the higher perspective, everything you need to move forward and start creating this. Whatever it is. Whatever this is. Okay, and Saturday, the Wheel of Fortune. Look at that. Yeah, definitely beginning something new, a new cycle, a new endeavor. You're moving in a new direction. Things are flowing. You're going with the flow, allowing things to naturally flow through you, that creative force, creative energy, and going with the flow and what universe is laying out for you. Things are opening up for you here with this Wheel of Fortune. There's something new coming in. I like this for you, Scorpio. Let's pull from the Beltane in closing. Hand fasting. The poles pulse through all that I am. No hidden form is left untouched. I am willing. I am risking. For I yearn for unity spilled lustrously upon my lips. Togetherness. Okay. So this week is all about being connected. Connected with others, connected with nature, connected with spirit, acknowledging that, feeling that, and moving forward, connected. There's something new coming in for you here. So be open to those new connections, those new opportunities presenting themselves. Don't close yourself off here. There's definitely something new coming in. There's a death of something, but it's bringing in the new. All right, let's pull a rune. Perhaps it's the death of your isolation and embracing that connectedness. And look at this. Kana, torch, beacon. This is positive. This is about a breakthrough. It's about clarity, illumination, guidance. Pay attention to where Spirit's leading you, to that guidance that's coming in for you. As you connect, those messages are coming in, that guidance is coming in, that insight is coming in for you. Go with the flow, follow your intuition. This is what I have for you, Scorpio. Thank you for joining me. Have a blessed week.